If you are searching for a VPN that combines speed, privacy, and robust streaming support, this ultimate CyberGhost review is for you. This company is famous for offering tons of features and a massive network without emptying your wallet. We'll cover its security, server network, speed performance, special features, and real-world user experience so you can decide if CyberGhost fits your digital life. If you decide CyberGhost is right for you at any point, scan the QR code or click the exclusive link in the description for the exclusive discounts and a risk-free trial. Server network and accessibility. CyberGhost's biggest advantage is its giant network. They have a server for almost every job you need done. Global access. Our checks show CyberGhost has over 11,500 servers in 100 countries. That's one of the biggest network out there, meaning you always find a fast connection nearby. Specialized servers. The app is super easy to use because it groups servers by what they do best. Streaming servers, perfect for unlocking international movies and shows. It's a powerful unblocking VPN. Torrenting servers, set up specifically for fast, safe downloads. Gaming servers. These are chosen to give you the lowest lag, which is essential for smooth online gaming. Safe place to operate. CyberGhost is based in Romania, a country with strong privacy laws, keeping it safe from global spy alliances. Bottom line, CyberGhost is amazing for access. If you watch content or play games online, its specialized server make it a top affordable VPN choice. CyberGhost security and privacy. When it comes to online security, CyberGhost VPN is built to earn your trust. Let's continue our CyberGhost VPN review by asking the most important question for any VPN. Is it safe? Key security points. The no spy promise. They have a strict no logs policy. This isn't just a promise. A big company called Deloitte audited them and confirmed they really don't keep any records of your activity. This ensures your online anonymity. RAM-only tech. CyberGhost uses cutting-edge RAM-only servers. This means all their servers automatically wipe all data every time they restart. Encryption and safety. Your data is protected by AES-256 encryption, which is virtually unbreakable. They also use the fast and secure WireGuard protocol. The safety cutoff. The app has no automatic kill switch. If your VPN connection ever drops, this feature immediately cuts your internet, stopping your relocation from accidentally leaking. Bottom line, CyberGhost provides excellent VPN security features. The independent audit and the RAM-only technology prove that your privacy is their top priority. Speed and performance. In this CyberGhost VPN review, we put the service through real-life speed tests to see how it performs across different locations, from close by, like the UK, to far away, like the USA and Japan. Quick and reliable. Our test shows CyberGhost delivers fast, stable connections that are more than enough for daily browsing, streaming, and general use. Speed versus rivals. While quick, its overall download and upload speeds are not the absolute fastest compared to top rivals like NordVPN and ExpressVPN. This may be because the app default auto protocol settings sometimes choose the slower, highly secure OpenVPN instead of the lightning-fast WireGuard. Media and value. You still get highly reliable speeds for unlocking international libraries. Plus, you get great value because you can secure up to 10 devices simultaneously with just one account. That's enough for most families. Optimization tip. For optimal performance, use CyberGhost's built-in speed test and real-time load percentage indicators to select the quickest server every time. Bottom line, CyberGhost delivers quick speeds for streaming, browsing, and downloading, thanks to its massive global network and modern protocols. Streaming and torrenting. CyberGhost shines for entertainment lovers. Streaming. CyberGhost unblocks over 50 major platforms worldwide. The key is the dedicated streaming servers, which are specifically optimized and labeled in the app for zero guesswork. Torrenting. CyberGhost supports P2P and offers dedicated torrenting servers in over 80 countries for fast and secure file sharing. For advanced users, the SOCKS 5 proxy gives you an extra layer of non-encrypted identity control specifically within your torrent client. Smart DNS. For devices that don't support VPN apps like some smart TVs, Apple TV, or game consoles, the Smart DNS feature lets you quickly bypass geographical limits just by changing a setting. It's a quick fix for unblocking content on the big screen. Bottom line, if easy streaming and safe torrenting are what you need, CyberGhost is one of the best options on the market. Features and user experience. CyberGhost packs features designed for both beginners and pros. Full device support. CyberGhost has native user-friendly apps for all major platforms: Windows, macOS, Linux with a new GUI, Android, iOS, smart TVs, and browser extensions. Plus, one account secures up to 7 devices simultaneously. Smart rules automation. You can set rules, so the VPN automatically connects when you connect to public Wi-Fi or when you launch a specific app. You can also save your favorite server location to a quick connect list. Built-in security. CyberGhost includes a built-in content blocker feature that works to stop ads, trackers, and malicious websites before they even load. Advanced options. Dedicated IP. This unique address is helpful for banking or accessing sensitive services without being asked for constant identity verification. Split tunneling. On Windows and macOS, you can exclude specific URLs websites from the tunnel. On Android, you can exclude specific apps. Bottom line, CyberGhost is easy to set up, great for households, and packed with features you actually use. Pricing and plans. Let's end this CyberGhost VPN review by looking at the prices. CyberGhost offers competitive pricing for every budget. Super affordable, long-term plans as low as $2.19 per month when built over 2 years. Big guarantee. They back their service with an excellent 45-day money-back guarantee on longer plans. This is one of the longest free trial period in the industry, letting you test everything risk-free. Our subscription includes 7 simultaneous device connection, full network and security features, stream, game, and torrent access on dedicated servers. For the latest pricing and deals, scan the QR code or click the link. Discounts may vary by region and time. Final verdict. CyberGhost impressed us with its huge server network, solid privacy features, and excellent support for streaming and torrenting. User experience is simple and flexible. Device limits cover whole households. Minor drawbacks include slower speeds on some protocols and limited split tunneling, but for most users, these aren't deal breakers. If this review helped, subscribe for more tech tips like this video and drop a comment with your questions or experience. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.